Representatives from the Hong Kong Economic and Trade Office in Jakarta met with TATOLI's leadership in Dili on March 31, 2026. During the meeting, HKETO representative Kathy Tse praised TATOLI's news production, highlighting its quality and reliability in Timor-Leste. The discussion focused on exploring cooperation in economy, trade, and communication, with both sides expressing strong interest in building institutional ties. They also emphasized collaboration in journalism, including media exchanges, content sharing, training opportunities, and innovation through modern communication technologies. TATOLI's president, Noemi Falcone, described the meeting as an important first step towards a strong and sustainable partnership.
To have a big summit.